Children, today we want to learn about the properties of matter, characteristic of particles of matter. We have learned that particles of matter have an empty space between them. Okay, so we will just try to understand by a simple proof or by a simple experiment to prove that the particles of matter have space in between them. So we take a beaker, fill the beaker with water. Okay, so we don't fill it to the top, but we fill half of the beaker with water, and you make a mark here to mark the level of water. Now add some sugar crystals to this water. So the sugar crystals will go down into the water, and then after some time you will see that the sugar crystals are able to cut through the molecules of water. Okay, so what is the reason? How does the sugar molecule cut through the water and reach the bottom? So that is because we will try to understand at the molecular level. See, these are the water molecules. Now the water molecules have a lot of space in between them. That is why these sugar molecules, they use up all the space and they come down. Okay, so they can cut through those spaces and come down. That is why the sugar particles were able to come down at the bottom of the beaker. If if the water molecules were close and without any space, then what would have happened? See, the sugar would have settled on the top and the level would have increased. But here what is happening? The sugar crystals are able to reach the bottom of the beaker. So this is a proof that particles of water have a lot of empty space between them. Okay, if you are not convinced, we can continue with the experiment. Okay, we take and stir the sugar solution with the glass rod, and after stirring it, the sugar crystals disappear. You all know that if sugar or salt is added to water, the sugar crystals or salt, it disappears. So what is happening there? It is getting dissolved in the water. So it is taking up all the empty spaces that are available. So that is why you see that what is the mark of water here? Again it is the same. There is no change in the level of water. That means there was enough space there inside the water molecules, that in between the water molecules, that the sugar molecules have filled up now. Okay, so I think like this, the sugar molecules, when they come in, they break and they take up the space in between the particles. Okay, so this is what is happening, and this experiment proves that there is space between the particles of matter.